Hello everyone, welcome in Rising Sun Premier School. Here I am your maths teacher, Miss Rolly, and today we will learn class 8th, chapter number 5, playing with numbers. In this chapter we will learn test of divisibility. Test of divisibility is a process of checking the given number is divisible or not. So there are some rules for test of divisibility with different numbers. So we summarize these rules and understand the process of divisibility. Okay. First we read the all sum up rules of divisibility test and then we solve the exercise. Rule number 1. A given number is divisible by 2 only when its unit digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. A given number is divisible by 10 only when its unit digit is 0. A given number is divisible by 5 only when its unit digit is 0 or 5. So let's do the exercise with 3 rules: divisibility test of 2, 10 and 5. Our question 1 is given each of the number 60, 72, 84, 96, 108 is divisible by 2. This is our question. Let's see the solution. As we know the rule, if the unit digit of given number is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, so the number is divisible by 2. Okay. So first of all, you all understand what is the unit digit. We take this number 108. First we write this number in the form of HTO. HTO, you know na? They are the Indian place value chart formation. So we write here ones, tens, hundred. Okay. And now you see, ones place digit is 8, tens place digit is 0 and 100 place digit is 1. So as they said in the rule, the digit placed on the unit part is called unit digit and it is the digit we check for the divisibility test of 2. So ones place digit is 8 and this is the unit digit also. Unit digit definition is place on ones place according to Indian number system or international number system. Clear? So if the given number have the unit digit 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, it is completely divisible by 2. So we place the answer as yes. Given numbers are divisible by 2 because their unit digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Okay, this is our answer statement for the question. Okay, our next question is, check each of the numbers (90, 120, 230, 350, 470 is divisible by 10 or not. So what we do? We remember the rule of test of divisibility by 5, which says a given number is divisible by 10 only if their unit digit is 0. If their unit digit is 0. Okay. So you all understand what is a unit digit? I explain you in brief. Now, unit digit is a digit placed on one's place according to Indian number system or international number system. Okay. So let's check. These all numbers have the unit digit 0. These all numbers have the unit digit 0. 90 have unit digit 0. 120 have unit digit 0. 230 have unit digit 0. 350 have unit digit 0 and 470 have unit digit 0. So I place the statement yes. Yes. Given numbers are divisible by 10 because their unit digit is 0. That's all. Okay. Now next question. Question number 3. Check each of the numbers (278, 513, 684, 341, 482 and 507 is divisible by 5. So as we remember the rule of divisibility test of 5, it said a given number is divisible by 5 only when its unit digit is 0 or 5. So let's check, these numbers have the unit digit 0 or 5. No. This number have the unit digit 8. This number have the unit digit 3. This number have the unit digit 4. This number have the unit digit 1. This number have the unit digit 2. And this number have the unit digit 7. So we will not find out the unit digit at 0 or 5. So I write the statement as answer no. Given numbers are not divisible. Not divisible by 5 because their unit digit is not 0 and 5. Okay, understand? So here is the test of divisibility by 2, 10 and 5, and we clearly understand about the unit digit. The unit digit is a digit placed on ones place according to Indian number system and international system. Okay. Now we follow some other rules of test of divisibility by 3, 9 and do the sums. Okay. We come on the page of summary of the test of divisibility and read the rule number 2. A given number is divisible by 3 only when the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. A given number is divisible by 9 only when the sum of its digit is divisible by 9. So let's check your progress. You will understand this or not. Okay. Our next question is question number 4 for the test of divisibility by 3. Check. Given number is divisible by 3 or not. Number is 18657. So as we know the rule, the number is divisible by 3 when the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. So we write here the given number is 18657. Sum of its digits equal to 1 plus 8 plus 6 plus 5 plus 7. Sum means total. So we totalize all these numbers. 1 plus 8 plus 6 plus 5 plus 7. 1 plus 8 is 9 and 9 plus 6 is 13. Then इसको plus करके we got as the answer 27. Okay. 27. Check 27 is divisible by 3 or not. So check it. Yes. We divide 27 by 3. Yeah, it's divisible by 3 9 times. 9 times, na? So here we wrote the statement as an answer. Yes. Now given number is divisible by 3 because its total or sum, कुछ भी लिख लीजिए, total or sum is divisible by 3. Okay. So here we clear the problem related to test of divisibility by 3. Now our next question, question number 5 for test of divisibility by 9. Check given number is divisible by 9 or not. The number is 27981. Solution. As we read the summary or rule of the divisibility test. So the rule for 9 is a given number is divisible by 9 only when the sum of its digit is divisible by 9. So right here the given number is 27981. Sum of its digit equal to 2 plus 7 plus 9 plus 8 plus 1. 10 This total is 27. Okay. So 27 is divisible by 9 or not? Let's check. 27 is divisible by 9 or not? Yes, it's 3 times divisible by 9. So we write the statement here as the answer. Yes, given number is divisible by 9 because its total or sum is divisible by 9. Clear? So hope you all understand the process of test of divisibility. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our school channel and tap to the bell icon of subscription for get the notification of new videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you. Stay home and stay safe.